Welcome back, Nomads and Van Lifers. I'm here with Jody.
Hi.
She's the other half of me, hence John and Jody. Probably the better half. But we want to talk about our 5 favorite things in our EKKO so far. And our EKKO is only 6 months old, so we're probably gonna have a much different video next year. So I'll let you start off with what is one of your favorite things about our EKKO so far.
Probably the table.
Who built that?
Some guy. And
I'm some guy.
It has a drop leaf, so you can still walk through from the cab to the back, and then it flips up if you want a bigger space for eating or prepping. It's butcher block, so it's a whole nother space for me to prep when cooking.
And it swivels.
It swivels, so
very easy to clean.
that is my number one.
That's your number one? Well, what if it was going to be my number one?
I guess you should have gone first.
I think my number one favorite thing in the EKKO so far is the upgraded sound system, because Johnny loves his music. And when Johnny is without Jody, he plays his music very loud when he's driving.
Because Jody doesn't like loud music.
No, she's like a scared cat. She kind of like put it
No,
down
I'm just
to
an old woman.
Put it down to a respectable level. I mean, you do like to go to concerts and everything.
I do.
It's not that you don't. It's not that you're a music hater.
No.
But I love loud music. I mean, a child of the '80s, and we used to bump in our pickup trucks and do all that weird stuff. So that's probably my first favorite.
Want to support our channel and join the adventure? Check out our new membership options. Be the first to join.
What do you think? What's another favorite of yours?
I love the beds. Super comfortable. Lots of space. You can do twins, or you can put it together and make a king. Previously, we had a Travado with the fold-down Murphy bed, which is just a double for both of us. That was very, very cozy. So this is a really nice change for us to have more space.
Cozy is a word. I would say more like a sardine can for me, because I was also a lot bigger back then too. There was a lot more of me to love, if you will.
There was more of me to love as well.
Well, that's true. But I would say my next favorite thing would probably be our new pantry, because we haven't got a lot of use out of it yet, because we haven't really gone full time yet. But it's amazing. It came out, it looks like it was installed by Winnebago. I could put some footage over this so you guys can see. I mean, most of you already have seen my pantry. Of course, you've already seen our table too, because it's all over YouTube. But, you got to brag about your cool stuff, right? I mean, nobody else has one of these yet. But I have told people how to make it, and I haven't seen one yet, though.
No.
But yeah, so that's number 4. I'll give you number 5 on our top 5 favorite things of our EKKO.
The bathroom.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've enjoyed it. If you don't know, you should go watch the video. EKKO has a very unique bathroom in which your wall swivels so that you can keep a dry bath and still have a shower, which is wonderful.
It's very European, if you will.
It is. And I really like it. I think the shower is, I'm going to use the word spacious. That is always in context
I mean,
of
you're
a
also
van.
You're also 5'2".
I am. But compared to even our Travado, which actually had a really big bathroom, I think this one is much more comfortable and functional, and everything isn't soaking wet after we shower, which is nice. So I've actually really enjoyed that.
So that's 5, our top 5 favorite things. I'm going to add, it's going to be like a 5.1, but it's not really cheating, because I'm adding on to the bathroom, because we have a ZOG system that we installed, which helps, because when you open the toilet, the fan comes on and sucks all the bad stuff out to your neighbors. No, but it does go outside, and you don't have to smell any funky smells in your RV, which we didn't really have a problem with in the first place. Not terrible.
But this just helps even more.
It does help more. It's great. I love it. It was a pain in the ass to install, but very functional, and I think that everyone can use one. It also depends on what kind of rules you have in your RV. I mean, what you allow people to do, whether it's 1, 2, or 3.
Yeah.
Everyone knows what a number 3 is. But yeah, those are our top 5 favorite things. And I could probably name 20 more things.
Yeah. There's a lot to love. I think regardless of what kind of vehicle you have, whether it's a van, a Class A, Class C, or you're a car camper. There's always things to love. There's always challenges you're going to experience, but it's all about what you make of all of it.
Yeah, I mean, you got to make the best of it. I mean, some people just have a Subaru and they have a little pop tent, and you know,
it's great.
Yeah, it is what it is. Some people do that for a year or two until they upgrade or can afford to do something else in life, or they just love doing that. You know, but yeah, I think this is definitely great for full timers, for 1 or 2 people, maybe 3.
No,
not a throuple. 1 or 2 people, a couple. Can really get a lot done on this and cruise the U.S. and have a lot of fun because it's tiny. You can get in and out. There's no slide outs. Do national parks really easy.
it's great. Very versatile. And we love it.
Yeah, we do. All right, we'll see you on the road.
Set me free now. Met her on a late July, sunset dripping off the pier. She has salt in her hair and trouble in her stare. Said she's tired of the same old town, wants to ride these waves till the sun burns down. We were young, broke, wild and restless, dreaming big moves with nothing on the checklist. She pulled me close, whispered low, come with me. Let's chase a little danger down the coastline free. And I don't mind wherever we roam, long as your heart beats keeping time with my own. So set me free on the midnight highway. You and me will run where the waves play. I don't care what they say about a story. All I need is you riding right beside me. Set me free, let the world fade out slow. If trouble catches up, then baby, let's go. Yeah, we shine like a wildfire glow. Set me free, my love, I won't let go. Next thing I knew, we were southbound, flying, laughing at the wind while the stars kept shining. Got caught in a mess with a wrong time crowd, but she held my hand when the heat got loud. We dipped out quick by the ocean bend, 2 silhouettes running where the night won't end. She said, baby, life ain't meant for fear. Let's disappear before the smoke draws near. Yeah, I go anywhere her wild heart calls, from the desert wind to the coastline walls. So set me free on the midnight highway. You and me will run where the waves play. I don't care what they say about a story. All I need is you riding right beside me. Set me free, let the world fade out slow. If trouble catches up, then baby, let's go. Yeah, we shine like a wildfire glow. Set me free, my love, I won't let go. Oh, we got sunshine blood and a rebel soul. 2 hearts racing like we lost control. No map, no plan, just a coastline ride. Your head on my shoulder, the world passing by. If the waves come crashing, we'll float or we'll fall. But I'm yours, baby girl, through it all. So set me free on the midnight highway. You and me will run where the waves play. I don't care what they say about a story. All I need is you riding right beside me. Set me free, let the world fade out slow. If trouble catches up, then baby,